skills needed in doing sketching human face or a woman face. Now guys, it's really important to provide a drawing book or a sketchbook, and of course a series of pencils, and we're using now charcoal and Staedtler as well. Roller or protector, it's an optional guys. At first guys, we need to start with dimensions at any side, because it's really important to calculate, and it depends how the sizes of human face or sketching you wanted for, and we start it using certain spacing in any sides like margins. And as you notice, we started drawing the sketch from head, and some parts are fallow. It looks like blurred or not really clear, because this is only temporary, and we can erase some parts when we can fix the human face as we can imagine what we're going to. I will give you some reminder guys that in using a pencil, especially in drawing a human face, you don't need to use so much force. Like how I gonna use my hand, use it softly and smoothly, because this outline is not really fixed. Later on I will showcase to you how I used to finalize this outline, and some parts are going to erase so that it looks clear. Take note guys, I don't have any reference. This is only through my imagination drawing a lady with a long hair, and how I'm gonna showcase the techniques for me as easy way to start from head and follow some parts. For beginners guys, You don't need to provide an expensive materials as you start with doing the sketching. It's simply using a pencil, eraser, a bent paper if you don't have a sketchbook, and charcoal for some parts. But pencil can also has a challenge to draw a human face. Depends how you gonna perform the quality of face as you can imagine of. And now we're using a Staedtler, guys, for our full shading, and I started it in the eyebrow and follow the eyes. So look and observe. I hope you gonna get some ideas how I'm gonna draw this a beautiful lady. Later you can see the outcome. We apply the black ink using a black ball pen, so that's guys really affordable. You're gonna use a black ball pen for some parts of the eye, and the other one I got is the burnisher, a little white and a portion of eye and some shading using Staedtler above the eyes. So the purpose is to look the eyes as realistic. And now we're gonna follow the pencil shading as we started it, and using now Staedtler to make it clear and finalize. So still has handling it softly and smooth way. Then as is, we're using a black ball pen for some portion of the eye and a burnisher like a white color, and still we're using Staedtler, so looks realistic. So that's the eyebrow and the eyes and nose as well. And we're preparing charcoal to apply some shading on some part of the face. And looks how easy I'm gonna apply it. And so we're fixing now the long hair of this beautiful lady, as I can imagine. Simply using an steadler, you can drag softly your hands and form a human face. I am using now a brush to spread an amount of charcoal to some parts of a human face. Then we need to apply slight shading when it comes to hair, and so it looks like a tallest and beautiful lady with a long hair. So you don't need to shade it all parts. The importance is to see how you imagine the sketch of a human face, like particular this going through a lady face. It's going to finish now. It's light, fixing it using cotton buds to make it clean and spread the charcoal well. And that's only simple, guys, and I think this is very easy. You can do so, and you can only provide your materials as pencil, drawing book, or a band paper, eraser, and if you have a charcoal one, you can use a charcoal for the eye to make it black. If you don't have, you can also use a black ball pen, and in some parts you can use for shading a pencil, so you can provide an affordable material as you're gonna start it. And I hope you get some ideas and tricks, and just fast and quick showing you how to sketch a human face like this one, a lady with long hair.